Good morning, my dear custodians. Welcome back. So today we are going to start with angles. First of all, what are angle? I mean, how an angle is formed. An angle is a figure formed by two rays having same initial point. So you can see this figure. It is showing an angle. It is a figure with two rays. Here rays are OB and OA. Okay, and they have a common point which is known as O. When these two join at common point, they form an angle. The initial point is known as vertex, okay, and OB and OA are the arms, okay. So you have to remember that. Now, how to denote an angle? So you have to always remember the angle which you are denoting should be in the middle. Here the given angle is denoted as BOA angle or angle AOB. You can see here AOB or BOA. In both the cases, if you can see, O is coming in the middle. It is written in the middle and it is denoting the angle. Okay. Now sometimes we can denote with as angle P also. For example, we have nothing here and it is an angle P. So we can also write angle P like this. Or if it is denoted by X 1, 2, 3, we can say it is angle X or angle 1 or angle 2 or angle 3. Okay. Here we can see the common arms are the two line segments here, that is AB and AC, whereas in that case we had two rays. Here you can see rays also, ray AB and ray AC. Okay, in both the cases it has nothing to do with the angles. You just have to remember it is showing the ray and it is showing the segment. Okay, but they have a common endpoint as A only, which determines the angle. So two line segments with a common endpoint also form an angle at that point. Okay, you have to remember this. Now let's understand what is interior and exterior. You see this region inside angle AOB or BOA. This region inside angle AOB is known as the interior region, whereas outside angle AOB is termed as exterior region. Okay, whereas on the boundary AOB, okay, on the boundary is called the angular region. Clear? Is that clear? I hope this is clear. I am telling you again, the interior region is the inside this angle, the exterior is the outside this angle, and the part of the plane made by all the points which lie on the arms OA and OB of angle AOB is called the boundary of AOB and is known as the angular region. Let us understand a few examples. Now you have to write all the possible names of angles shown in the adjoining figure. So the very first thing is, you have angle 1, you have angle A, okay, CAB BAC, okay, CAP PAC, QAB BAQ, and QAP and PAQ. These are the angles forming in this figure. So go through the video again and again and understand how I have mentioned the angles and how the angles can be written. Now in the next example, you see you have to find the number of common points in both the angles. You have two angles here, angle D and angle A, and how many common points it have. Now you can see a E and B are the common points, three common points. Okay, it's common in both the angles, angle CA and CD. Okay, ED, EA, it is common. BA and BD, it's common. Okay, in the same way you will can you find now? It's very easy. 4 points you find. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 points are here. E, F, B and C. Okay, so these are the examples. Go through the video. If any doubt, you can clear it out by WhatsApp or through call. Okay, God bless.